Hello, everyone. This is Nancy, the cover girl in Future Thinker. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about new AI tools and software that can make your life easier. I will hand over this to Benji. Let's dive in.
So in this tutorial, we are doing a quick walkthrough how to train and create your own dataset in Leonardo AI. It is a very simple and fast process if you compare this with Stable Diffusion LoRA training. And there are pros and cons of this method I will discuss after the walkthrough. First, log into Leonardo AI and head over to the dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, click Training and Datasets. Then click Create New Dataset. For free user account, you are only able to create one dataset per account. That is the limitation. You can upgrade your account if you want to. Now, give your dataset a name and a simple description. In this example, I am going to use Nancy, our thumbnail cover girl, for demo. And of course, she was training in Stable Diffusion LoRA by me, and the result is pretty consistent from Stable Diffusion. So let's see how is the result in Leonardo AI. After fill in the information, click Create Dataset. Then you are going to upload images of your dataset for process. Bear with me here. I am trying to drag and drop selected images from my folder. Oh, okay, so Leonardo AI are limited no more than 40 images for a dataset. Let me try it again with 35 images. Waiting images upload. Look at the young, beautiful, and elegant Nancy are here. Okay. The next step, we are going to click Train Model. The pop-up panel of Train Model shows, and we have to confirm the name, training resolution, and other detail of it. This model, I am going to use 512 times 512 size. Category, I am choosing character. And of course, my images is not NSFW, so I don't need to check this option. Then I am going to give the description here. And set an instance prompt for this dataset. In my case, I am going to use the word Nancy as the instance prompt. Check everything one more time and click Start Training. So the dataset training are showing in processing now. We just wait until it is finished. After a while, the table shows done. And I believe we can use that in our image generation. Let's see, the dataset in Leonardo are very simple. Actually, nothing much you can do. It is just dependent on how the AI run this. And personally, I don't really like that since I can do a lot more configuration in Stable Diffusion LoRA training in Koiha SS. Okay, let's use this red dress images text prompt for a test run. So here I have test run some image generation with my beautiful Nancy and how you can choose your own dataset model. First, click on Model. Then you are going to see your own mode appear on the My Model tab. Select My Model. Click the View button, then click Generate with this model. Now, the Model drop-down menu selected our own dataset model. As you can see, I have did a test run beforehand, It looks okay, pretty much looks like Nancy. And let's try run some more images. This time, I am going to change the outfit of it. Instead of red dress, let's use elegant dining dress. Oh, my mistake. I put double N on dining. Hope the AI understand what I mean. Oh, good. This one is beautiful. So there you have it. What I think the pros of this model training is that it is really easy even for beginners. It should not have any problem to create your own model. But the cons is that you have no control at all. It is all depends on those uploaded images itself. We cannot set how many training steps it can take, like Stable Diffusion, etc. So that is it for today's tutorial. Go try to create your own AI model by yourself. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.